Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm a social media specialist here at Kraus Marketing, and today we'll be talking about how to make an Instagram reel. Video content is huge on social media. It gets users' attention and it keeps it for longer. It's also great for engagement, awareness, getting followers, and building a community. The first step of making an Instagram reel is planning, determining what will your goal be. Do you want to drive awareness, reach, engagement, online conversions, or website traffic? Will you be using storytelling, product reviews, or demonstrations? So step 2 is thinking about the creative, doing a little bit of prep before you actually start filming, making sure that everyone and everything involved is on the same page and ready to go. You want to take as many shots as necessary because it's always better to have too much footage than not enough. Lastly, putting together the video with some post-production. You might need some video software to put the piece of the video together, add some color correction, or make any other adjustments that you think are necessary. So step 3 is implementation. If you're planning content in advance, make sure to save your reel as a draft in the Instagram app. Otherwise, you'll have to manually publish it at the time that you want it to go live. To help increase your reel's visibility, use trending sounds and hashtags. Otherwise, it's possible to boost the reel with an advertising campaign. So the last step is performance. After your reel is live, you want to monitor its performance to understand how your audience is responding to the content. So looking at views, likes, comments, shares, and saves. So after you've posted several reels, you'll begin to understand how your audience responds to different type of content and what performs best with them. If you're sponsoring the reel, you can take an even deeper dive into the metrics and take a look at video through plays, which is how long the average person has watched your video until. You can also look at clicks if you're clicking through to your website, and the click-through rate, which is how many users actually clicked on the link in the video based upon the total impressions that the video got. You can also cross-check this data with your website traffic by looking at the Instagram social channel grouping. So by looking at bounce rates, exit rates, time spent on a page, and pages per user session, all tell you where a user is in their consumer journey. And that brings us to the end of how to make an Instagram reel. I hope that this was helpful, and for other resources, you could check out our page, our other blogs, our YouTube channel, or reach out to Kraus Marketing for video creation and Instagram advertising help.